morning and welcome to Western New York Living. I'm your host, Janet Snyder, and I want to thank you all for tuning in on this Saturday morning. Today is March 10th, and we have a packed show with great guests and topics, including a very unique way to bring a group of people together to do some hands-on cooking. Here's a peek at what else we have lined up for you today. We'll tell you how you can help out some wonderful organizations by donating to Catholic Charities during their Appeal Week, which is coming up soon. Also, on today's show, with St. Patrick's Day fast approaching, it's time to get to the Irish spirit. The Irishman Pub and Eatery will be joining us to discuss all the fun events they have planned for St. Patrick's Day weekend. Plus, a little later, we're going to be getting you ready for the Buffalo Home Show, which is taking place this weekend. And next, we'll also take a look at some of the must-see features at this year's show. And later, we'll be teasing your taste buds when Fuse Asian Grill joins us in studio. We'll check out their delicious menu, which includes Thai, Burmese, sushi, gluten-free, and of course, vegetarian dishes. Now, going out to eat is always fun, but how about getting together with friends and family, or maybe even coworkers, to create your own wonderful food dishes in a very unique setting, or maybe even have a local chef cook a delicious meal right in front of you and explain everything they're doing? All of this can happen at the Culinary Loft at Artisan Kitchens and Baths. Let's head over there now so you can check out the wonderful cooking venue. Everyone enjoys eating out, but imagine if you could host a culinary event and you didn't have to worry about prepping your kitchen or home for your guests. Well, that's exactly what Artisan Kitchens and Baths had in mind when they created their Culinary Loft. Joining me now is Samantha and Kevin Telaak. Congratulations, you guys.
Thank you very much.
So, Kevin, we've been in this part of the loft before. Explain where we are right now.
So where we are is behind the main culinary island, where typically you would come in and do a chef's table dinner. So picture the best meal you ever had out at a restaurant. What was missing? You didn't interact with the chef and you didn't see him cook. Now we take the walls down, and here you can watch the chef cook, you can interact, you can see what he's doing, and everybody can enjoy the entire meal.
And Samantha, it seems like there has been such an interest in learning to cook and digging deeper into the roots of food, and that's exactly what the Culinary Loft has done.
Absolutely. Someone can come in, they can learn if they're interested in healthy cooking. That's a big trend. They can have a party here for friends of theirs, or a special celebration like an anniversary or a bachelor party.
But I love, too, that the wheels are in motion inside of this room, because this isn't the only thing to see, right?
No, this is not. We've now taken it to the next level, where the interactivity of cooking is going to be to the forefront.
All right, let's go see.
Okay.
Okay. Kevin, now I feel like I have to say, now you're cooking.
Now we're
because you
cooking.
said you were going to do even more. What is this?
Okay, so what you're seeing here is one of 4 additional hands-on cooking stations. So now when you come in for an event and everybody really wants to get involved, you can actually cook as opposed to just watch.
This is going to be the best party space in all of Buffalo. Samantha, who should book a party here?
Anyone that wants to do either a hands-on team building event, or they want to add some sort of flair to their party, a bachelor party, an anniversary party, and maybe they want it to be just a class, or maybe they want to just sit down and enjoy a chef cooking in front of them. There's many different parties that can happen here.
I love the idea of a company coming in and doing a team building type of a chopped class, because that's really where Artisan Kitchen got its roots.
Yeah, that's for sure. So there's so many different ways we can design a party like that. If it's actually going to be a competition, then you assign judges, you assign team names. Each team is responsible for, a dish or a cocktail or a dessert, and so we can do it any way you want.
There's something so fun about the art of cooking and sharing that together as a big group, whether you know each other or not. Wouldn't you agree?
Right, absolutely, and that's the beauty of it. Everybody, after they prepare their courses, can sit down together, meet new people, and enjoy the food.
Are you happy with the way this all turned out?
Yeah, we really are. So we had a vision and we really built it from the ground up. So we made sure that all of the technology that we would need here, all of the elements that we would need here were already built in. So when you're cooking here and you want to see what the head chef is doing, you just simply look up at the monitors and you see what skills you need to be practicing.
Samantha and Kevin, the Artisan Culinary Loft is a dream come true. Thanks for showing me around today.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Now I can't wait to book my party.
Excellent.
If you'd like to host a unique culinary event with your friends, family, or maybe coworkers at the Artisan Culinary Loft, you can head over to their website, artisancularyloft.com. To find out more about this wonderful venue, you can also give them a call at 423-2390. Artisan Kitchens and Baths is located at 200 Amherst Street in Buffalo. Now don't go anywhere, because coming up next, we'll learn more about how you can donate during Catholic Charities Appeal Week and learn how your donations help programs all throughout our community. Western New York Living will continue.
Special consideration for today's show paid for by the following: